Hey there, Horne-Ellstrom here. Our idiom today is Rome wasn't built in a day. Rome wasn't built in a day, so would you expect to supersize and grow your business immediately? Unfortunately, a lot of people do. They expect to start a business and wham, it's going to be, a million or billion-dollar business overnight. Guess what? There aren't very many overnight sensations, and those that are have usually put in years and years of pre-work to achieve that kind of momentum. So this idiom's been around. Was originally a French idiom in 1190, and it wasn't until I'm going to read what it was in. It was in a collection of proverbs called Les Proverbes au Vilain. Obviously not a French speaker here. And then it didn't appear in English until John Haywood's publication in 1953 of Proverbs. And that's when it became even more popular. And what does it mean? It means that it takes time and effort and usually hard work and patience in order to build something big or great. So if you're looking to build and supersize your business or build a great business, because you get to decide what great business means to you, you have to be a little patient. You have to take time. You have to understand that there are going to be failures along the way. There's going to be stepping stones and lessons learned, and that it's going to take time. How much time is it going to take? I have no idea, and neither do you. You just have to go out and do it and just keep putting one foot in front of the other until you create the business that you want. And then it'll still morph and change and probably have to pivot to other things throughout the course of your involvement with that business anyway. So love to know your experience with this particular idiom or expression. Rome wasn't built in a day. I know my mom used to say this to my sisters and I. Not sure I've actually used that expression. I can think of other ways to communicate the same message without saying, I usually say, let's be patient or let's rethink this or something, versus Rome wasn't built in a day. Why would we expect things to happen overnight? And they seldom do. Things seldom happen in the timing that we think is appropriate. And when we're expecting it to be something different than it is, that's when we get frustrated. That's when we sometimes quit, and we don't want to quit. So share in the comments below your experience with this idiom, and any questions, hit me up. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Have a great day.